Webkins in space,
What's
space,
this
space, space.
Okay.
Okay, my friend over there, see, that's her leg. Okay, she is going to put my stars on. Okay, here, I'm turning off the light now.
Okay.
Wait, turn off the TV. See, it's all starry. It's green. No, 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 no.
Oh, controller.
Okay, Webkins in space, space, space.
Doesn't it
This is
say
the
live?
chicken right here. Its name is Jessie. Look, oh my gosh, it's my stars.
I think this is the golden retriever.
No, this is American Cocker Spaniel
This is
in
an American
space.
Cocker Spaniel.
In space, space, space.
Space.
Here, come over here.
Dude.
Wait.
No, that's too much.
No, it's not. Because then you can actually see the chicken in space, space,
What if I
space.
put this here?
Ooh, I'm floating around. There's nothing to do except float around
Got a
here.
big tail.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Floating around in space, space, space.
I'm gonna eat you. Did you see that? Some weird spaceship just said they were gonna eat us. OMG.
The American Cocker Spaniel in space.
No. It didn't just feel like. Fun.
Oh my gosh, look at all my weapons. They are in space. Space, space.
So why don't we just watch TV?
Okay. See ya, wait.
See you next time on
See ya, everybody.
Zoe and Megan's Webkins Adventure.